Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be building, seeing as it is Christmas time, I want to build a ramp for my little boy because he likes his cars. So I was planning on using this stuff, but it breaks. So I'm going to go and look for some plastic, some thin plastic. And we're going to use some of this lovely MDF stuff to make the sides and the top of the walls. So let's get on with it. So I want it to have quite a steep run up, and I want it to be a nice curve to send the car flying off. The easiest way to do that, I think, is to use one of these. So let's see, I'd like it about there. This is going to be a bit undignified, but still. So hold it in place. And that'll be a nice curve. Send it flying down. So up to about here. Let's roll it in. Like a big night tick. Then a little platform for them to stand on. Yeah, I'm going to need some more board. All the way down. Now that's a big piece of board, and this is quite thick, so it's quite heavy. So I think the best thing to do is we chop out of it, make it a little less heavy. Right. Let's just give it an A-frame. Don't want it to be too weak. What I am thinking though is to be able to move it a little easier, I might just put, let's see, a little handle on. That way at least you can shift it easy. Maybe even some wheels down the bottom. Okay. Now the actual ramp itself is going to sit back just a little way because, here we go, because you want the cars to stay afloat, stay on track. Afloat. You know what I mean. Okay, nice little ramp there. How the hell did I put my jigsaw? Scatterbrain. Just thinking again that I know on other channels they've worked it all out before they even turn the camera on. Yeah, I'm not like that. I have an idea and then I wonder about it and then I change it a lot. So, I was thinking that if I leave it the way it is, it's going to be a little bit unstable at the bottom. So, I'm just going to add another beam in there. I'll just chop out the centre. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. The first side of the car cannon. That should be alright. So, basically, this is going to be the frame. You can put the car up here, and then let it go zoom, and then fly off into the end. Yeah? Okay. So, as I said before, I was going to use this stuff, but it's too brittle. So I went looking for plastic or something to make the ramp out of, and I came across this, which is just flat sheet of, it's called flat iron, sheet iron, and it's absolutely perfect. But it does have rather sharp edges, so I'm going to try and bend them over nice and flat. But for the meantime, now I know that the ramp's going to be this size, I'm going to start by chopping up a little bit of wood to the exact same size so we can brace the two pieces properly so they're the right distance apart. So let's get on with that. Okay, so these pieces have been screwed in. Now to bend the metal. Use my welding clamp. Then, there we go. Don't even need the flipping hammers really. Oop. Give it a tap anyway. There we go. No sharp edges. Fire one. Unlimited fun. Now this could end up smashing my camera. Excuse the baby attached. Shit! Well, it works.